What is covered under comprehensive auto insurance? Comprehensive car insurance is designed to cover most damages and losses that may occur to a vehicle, but comprehensive coverage does not cover damages in a collision with another vehicle. Your collision insurance covers the accident with another vehicle. Comprehensive car insurance coverage usually includes protection against damage to your car from incidents such as hail, floods, falling objects, fire, theft, and vandalism. Comprehensive coverage may also include glass repair or replacement. What is not covered in comprehensive car insurance? Damage or loss that occurs while the car is being used in a race or rally. Damage or loss that occurs while the car is being used in the commission of a crime. Does not cover mechanical failure or failure of the car's systems due to wear and tear. Damage or loss that occurs as a result of driving on unpaved roads, taking your car off-roading for instance. In summary, comprehensive car insurance does not cover everything. It is important to be aware of what is and is not covered regarding your insurance policies in order to make the best decision for your needs.